Hey there, YouTubers. Thanks for watching and thanks for helping me out by subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be working on a brand new project. It's going to be a 30 by 48 canvas painting, going to be oil-based paint. So for right now, I'm just painting in the lower section with some black gesso paint. And then when that dries, I'm going to be placing in all the sunset colors and eventually get to paint all of the branches and trees in the silhouette. So yeah, lots to go, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek on the latest project. Thanks and have a great day and Happy New Year. Well, almost. It's coming soon. Thanks for watching.